21 minus 1 equals 20. 21 minus 1 here also equals 20, and 20 times 20 equals 400. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a couple of subtraction operators present, and we also have a multiplication operator present. But we also have parentheses present here, and according to the rules, parentheses have highest priority over anything else. So we need to solve what we have inside parentheses. 21 minus 1, that gives us 20. Our expression simplifies to 21 minus 1 times 20. Now we have two operators left, subtraction and multiplication. According to the rules, multiplication has higher priority over subtraction. So we need to solve this multiplication first. 1 times 20, that gives us 20. And finally 21 minus 20, that gives us 1, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.